مرحبا أهلا وسهلا بكم. Welcome again to our Gateway to Arabic channel with me, Dr. Imran Hamza Alawiye. In today's lesson, let's continue learning how to read and write the Arabic script easily and efficiently using one of my books, Gateway to Arabic Book 1. Today we're going to learn how to join 7 letters. Let's start with letter Sheen, isolated form, and then letter Sheen as they joined. Look at the arrow, they are numbered for you, and look at the relation between the line and the position of the letter as well. As I'm now want to demonstrate to you now how to write this letter. Look at me demonstrating this. Look at my hand movements and copy what I am doing. Please. Here we go. Sheen, isolated, easy one. The first part on top and the rest below the line. To join it, just continue moving, really. Here we go. 1, 2, extend, 1, 2, 3, extend, 1, 2, 3, finish it off below the line. Letter Sheen. Well done. Ahsantum. Ahsantum. The next letter is letter Sheen. Sheen, as you can see, is the same shape as letter Sheen, except that Sheen is carrying 3 dots. Whereas Sheen, no dot at all. Okay, letter Sheen, isolated form, and the same letter Sheen as they are joined. Look at me again, formulating these letters in the isolated form and in the joined form. Look at my hand movement and direction. Follow the arrows, please, and see the relation between the letter and the line underneath it. Here we go. Have a look. Sheen is identical to letter Sheen, except that we have 3 dots on top. 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. To join it, the same hand movement. Just keep going. 1, 2, 3. Extend. 1, 2, 3, extend, 1, 2, 3, below the line. Go back and apply your 3 dots to the initial. 1, 2, 3. 3 dots to the medial. 1, 2, 3, and 3 dots. 1, 2, 3 dots. Well done. Ahsantum. Ahsantum. Next 2 letters now. Let's start with letter Ain. Challenging pronunciation, that's one. Ain. Don't worry, we're going to practice the pronunciation later on. Ain. Ain, isolated. You see it's like a small c and capital C combined. You will see. Look at the arrows. The arrows giving you the clue. And you will see my hand movement as well as I'm demonstrating for you how to write letter Ain, isolated, and letter Ain, joined. Have a look at my hand movement. Here we go. Letter Ain, isolated form. Letter C on top, join it with capital C below the line. Letter Ain. The joint form to the small letter C first, extend it, and the medial is flat head, and the final flat head as well. Here we go. Okay, now the next letter is letter Rain. You want to say ga really, but you Rain. Rain. Rain is the same shape as letter Ain, except that rain is carrying 1 dot on top. Rain, isolated, and rain, joined. Let's have a look at that as well. as I am demonstrating for you now, how to formulate your letter Ghain. Here we go. Ghain is identical to Ain. Small letter C, then capital one come below, and then the dot. Join form, two small C's first on top, extend it to the medial flat head, extend, and the final flat head, and finish it off by going back dot, dot, dot. Well done. Ahsantum. Ahsantum. The next letter is letter Fa. Easy letter really to pronounce and to write. Fa. Fa. Isolated form. And Fa. Joined form. Look at the arrow. Look at the line. And look at me as I'm demonstrating for you how to write your letter Fa. Here we go. Letter Fa. Isolated. Easy to write. You can stay online for letter Fa. That's fine. And the joint form just keep going. Spiral. Just keep going. Fa. Media. Final one. And then stay extended. Stay on the line. Go back. Apply the dot. 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 Well done. Ahsantum. Ahsantum. The next letter is Qaf. 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 Here we go. Qaf. Isolated form. Qaf. Joint form. Again, look at the arrow. Look at the line. Look at my hand movements as I'm now demonstrating for you how to formulate writing your letter Qaf. Qaf, the same hand movement as Fa, but it's deeper a little bit. Qaf. Here we go. Below the line, go back. 2 dot. 1, 2. To join it, the same hand movement as you did in the Fa. Keep going. Media, the final, come below the line, back up, go back. 2 dots, 2 dots, and 2 dots. Okay. The next letter, the final letter for today, is letter Kaf. Here, I want you to compare and contrast how to say letter Qaf, which we've done before, and this letter Kaf. So you have Qa, mouth opening, Qa, Qaf, and this one is Kaf. Qaf, Kaf. Okay. Look at letter Kaf, isolated form, and letter Kaf, joint form. There's something peculiar going on there. What? Kaf, isolated form, is carrying something, symbols inside it, like a little small C with a tail. Kaf. But when joined, we lose that little symbol. We lose it. And we compensate for that with the line. And you will see that when you are writing letter Kaf, don't start with the line on top. You look at the arrow, you start with the bottom one. You finish formulating the bottom one first, the base, and then you go back to put your line on top. I will show you now. Look at my hand movement as I'm writing for you the letter Kaf in isolated form and when joined. Here we are. Have a look. Letter Kaf, isolated. Stay on the line, extend it, then write that symbol in the middle like small c with a tail. The Kaf join, however, look at that. It's like a dal. Keep going up and then down. Go. Right, the final one, extend it. Now go back and apply the line across the top. Here we go. And the final, put this small c with a little bit of tail. Well done. Well done. Ahsantum. Ahsantum. So, today, again, we have learned how to join 7 letters. We're nearly there. We're nearly there. Honestly, well done. Please continue following this series and subscribe before you go, please, and send the link for me to your contacts. And don't forget my charity. There's a link below. We're desperate for your help. Please make donation. Click and make donation. And thank you so much for some of you have done so. I'm very grateful. شكرا جزيلا. جزاكم الله خيرا. أحسن الله إليكم وأدخل السرور إلى قلوبكم. مع السلامة. إلى اللقاء في أمان الله.